Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can create and use custom malmerge function of MS Word and how you can customize it according to your requirements and convenience. As you know, malmerge is the function of MS Word, but it can be complicated for beginners and non-professional user of MS Word. I tried to make it easy. The process of malmerge. Malmerge is the process of merging two things. First is main document and second is database. Suppose you have a company and you want to send an important notice to your all employees. Contents of notice will be same for all employees, but their names, address, postal code will be varied. Taken another example, suppose you will organize any event in your home, such as marriage anniversary, birthday party, new year party, etc., and you would like to send invitation card to all your friends and relatives. In this case, the contents of your invitation card is same, but your friends and relative names and address will be varied. In these two situations, you will have to write your employees, friends and relative names and address to every card and letters, which is very tedious work for people. Malmerge is the process which makes this task easy. So let's start. First of all, you need to create main document. It can be letter or invitation card or any other document. Second, you need to create a database of your employees, friends or relatives. You can use any database program to create this database, like MySQL, MS Access, Excel or CSV files or SQL database. You can create number of fields in these databases, such as name, address, postal code, etc., and you can save it on your local computer or any server. After creating main document and database, you need to merge them, and for this step I have developed an add-ins program in Microsoft Word by using VBA programming. Uh, so now I will show you how it works. As you can see, I have created my main document. This is my main document, and I have created my database in MySQL, Microsoft Access, Excel, CSV and SQL database. So I need to install add-ins program. If you don't know installation of add-ins program and creating custom menus in Microsoft Word, you can learn these things in my next video. So I have installed my add-ins program in my MS Word. Okay, this is my main document, and I need to place fields of database. I use MySQL database which is stored in my Bluehost server. So I select mail merge from MySQL option. This option, mail merge with MySQL option, and this dialog box will be appeared. Then you need to uh, put some database credentials like server name, username and password. So I put these credentials: server name, this is my username, and this is password. Okay, then I need to click on this button, create connection. When I click this button, you can see here the label of the color of this label has been green color. It means database connected. Now you can select database and table, then retrieve fields. Now the database of MySQL server have been added into combo box 1. In this box I have only one database in my server, so this is the name of my database and I select it. As soon as you select database from here, all the tables of selected database will be added into combo box 2. This is the combo box 2, and all the tables of this selected database will be stored in combo box 2. As you can see, there are two tables, so I select my first table, AMP records. Okay, now you need to click on retrieve fields, this button. It will retrieve all the fields of this selected table. As soon as you click on retrieve fields button, all fields of selected table will be appeared in list box 1. This is the list box 1, and all the fields of this table has been retrieved and appeared into this list box. Now you need to place these fields into main document, so just place the cursor position where you want to add these fields and double click on any field name which you want to put into main document. So I double click in this field. Okay, as you can see, field has been inserted into main document, and now repeat this process for all fields. Okay, all fields are inserted into main document. Now the final step is to click on mail merge button. As soon as you click on this button, main document and database will be merged, and a new document will be created where your main document will be printed for all contacts which are stored in your database. Okay, so I'm going to click on this button. Please watch carefully. Okay, it's done. Now you can print it on the printer. This is the mal-merged file, our final result, and as you can see, all your contacts have been merged into main documents. This is first record and this is second record. As you can see, the contents of my main document are the same for every record. Okay. Okay, this is the last record. So all the records have been merged into main document. Okay, now I will use same process for mal merge with Excel database. So I will click on this option, mal merge with Excel database. Okay, as I click on this option, this dialog box will be appeared. Now I need to select Excel database or CSV database. So I click on this button, then locate my Excel database. Okay, this is the Excel database, and when I select this database, the sheets of this database will be appeared on this combo box. This is the table. This is the table or sheet where my data are stored, and then click on retrieve fields. All the fields of this table or this sheet have been inserted into this box 1. So now it's time to put these fields on main document. So just place the cursor position and double click on fields. Repeat this process for other fields. Okay, now I need to click on this button, mal merge. Okay, as you can see, all the fields all the records of my Excel database have been inserted and merged into main documents. Okay, fine. Okay, now I will show you uh, mal merge with access option. It is same as Excel database. Just select your access database by clicking this button. Okay, as soon as you selected your database, all the tables of selected database will be inserted into this combo box. There is only one table in this database, so I select it, then retrieve fields. All the fields have been retrieved and inserted into list box 1. Now I put these fields into my main document by just double clicking. Okay, now I will click on this mal merge button. Okay, as you can see, all the all the records have been inserted into my main documents. Okay, it's done. Okay, then now finally I will show you uh, the option of mail merge with SQL database. So I click on this option, this dialog box will be appeared. I need to put some my database credentials regarding my SQL server. This is my server name, and this is my username. If you connect your SQL server with your Windows ID, so you need to put there you need to put your Windows ID in this text box, and there should be password. And now click on this button, create connection. As you can see, the label the color of this label has been green, and database connected. Now you can select database and table, then retrieve fields. This message have been appeared, and all the database of selected server credentials have been appeared in combo box 1. So I'm going to click this database, and as I select this database, all the tables of this selected database has been appeared on this combo box 2. I select this table and retrieve fields. All the fields have been retrieved, and now it's time to put these fields into main document. So just place the cursor position and double click. Repeat the process for every field. Okay, all fields have been inserted, and now I click on this button, start mail merge. As you can see, processing is started. Okay, it's done. All the records of my SQL server database have been merged into my main document. So this is the program. Okay, as you saw, it is very easy and convenient to use. If you like to use this program, please send me email or just comment on this video. I will contact you. You can purchase this program from my online store. The link of my store is available on description of this video. You can check it. If you are a developer and know Visual Basic programming and would like to develop this program by yourself, then please subscribe my channel and watch my next video. I will explain the coding of this program, and you can design by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and like it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.